everybody, this is Sadie, and Sadie's 11 years old. Aren't you? There's so much we can do to boost the immune system. So I'm gonna give you guys 5 different things you can do at the end of this video, and you can add them to your pet's food, and then we can, help try to prevent this thing. Just taking some precautionary measures, like not letting your dog, you can't take your dog to an off-leash dog park. When I look at the dog bowl that's just kibble, I think, how can anyone be healthy on that, right? We need to add some vibrancy. We need to add some actual life to what we're feeding the dogs. If we were eating TV dinners every day, how healthy would we be? How could we prevent colds and flus and the next super bug, right? The first thing I want you guys to know is this thing starts with a cough, right? So if you hear a cough that you've never heard before, I'll listen to their respiratory tract, like just how are they breathing? Not even so much a cough, but like, do they have any rattling? Do they have any clearing of the throat? Anything like that? Let your veterinarian know about that. Just being more astute, more attentive. Looking at your dog's nose. How is your dog breathing? Is there any discharge around the nose? Is the dog acting normally, doing normal behavior things, or is the dog isolating or not wanting to eat? This mystery illness is preying on the immune system dysfunctionality, right? Most of our dogs are not very healthy, and they're certainly not healthy on the foods that we're giving them. On our YouTube channel, we have how to make a vitamin powder. When you look at our vitamin powder, it's vibrant green. It's live, it's raw and live and organic. Right, Sadie? You're on it. I know, it's pretty good too, isn't it? Yes, it's good. Mwah. She's so sweet. Let's see. So vitamin powder, right? You guys need to take care of your pet's biome. You need to take care of your pet's biome. What's the biome? It's the healthy bacteria in the GI tract. So we're gonna give our pets apple cider vinegar. We're gonna give our pets healthy vegetables. So we're gonna dice up cilantro and parsley and maybe a little bit of pumpkin. So already right there, we've increased the vibrancy and the vital force of the food that the animal's getting. Respiratory tract is just a manifestation of how healthy the dog is. So how much resiliency is in the dog's body. We could do a little goat milk kefir. The goat milk kefir, goat milk yogurt, we can do a teaspoon per 30 pounds of body weight, twice a day. So right there, the biome is gonna be happier. The intestinal bacteria is gonna be happier in the food. And we're gonna add a little bit of live culture to the food, right? We're gonna be able to compete. Our body is gonna be stronger and able to compete with all of these organisms in the environment. The next one I want you guys to do is add some sage powder and oregano to the dog's food. So oregano, sage, and thyme. These are our respiratory strengtheners. And we can add those right to the food. So now we've got apple cider vinegar, we've got some herbs for the respiratory tract, we've got some vitamins, right you guys? And she's like, okay, this is gonna take a while. If your dog is starting to cough, and what I want you to do is there is a supplement called Isatis Gold. Isatis root is an antiviral. We've used it for years for kennel cough. You guys can ask your veterinarians about it. I think my opinion is every veterinarian should carry that or a supplement that's like that. It's extremely effective for kennel cough and viruses in general. Then we're actually doing something from our profession that's not pharmaceutical. Every vet can use this therapy. It is not expensive, and then the clients would actually get something from their veterinarian that could actually help their pet. So what do you guys think about that? Subscribe, share, comment. Thanks so much for joining us.